that money up, and gotta get those good nice cars. So alright, let's try this again. Welcome back, guys. Filming another POV drive. I tried to film one yesterday, and I guess I never either hit the record button or the files were corrupt, so we're gonna run it back today. So let's throw the camera up right here and let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so alright, so I guess finally it's gonna work. So yesterday I tried to film this video. Well, I filmed the whole video, and then I guess I went to edit it and the files weren't there, so that's great. But yeah, so welcome back, guys. I know it's been a minute. We're back. I know I said I wasn't gonna never take another break. Well, it's not really a break, but 2 weeks went by without a video. I'm sorry, I got a little explaining to do, but yeah, so let's get right into the explaining. So basically, I was sick for about over a week. I still have a little bit of a, like, I don't know, a little something. The thing was, I couldn't even, like, talk. I just had such a bad headache, so I was like, I can't put my energy into the videos, so I'm not even gonna film them. That was the first thing. The second thing was, I started a job working in Manhattan, and that job takes about 40-50 hours of my week right off the bat. So somebody yelling? It's too early for that. So that's taken that. It's just been very busy. As you can see, the windows are tinted finally. Gotta wash this car bad. But yeah, so I wanted to just get a little video out, a little update, a little POV, just so you guys know that we're still here. Hope it's not traffic. Like yesterday, we were able to get a nice video without traffic. But yeah, so I'm hoping to film this weekend or sometime. I gotta schedule a certain day because my schedule is basically filled every single day except Sunday. Almost every hour. So I can film like a Saturday night and Sunday. We're trying to figure out the schedule when we can film, have that a dedicated day. Because the thing is, my videos, I try to, like, they aren't just spur of the moment, pick up a camera and then start recording. I do, plan them out. I have to buy the stuff. A lot of these videos cost hundreds of dollars to film. Not just, like I said, pick up the camera and go. So that's what the first thing is. Secondly, I know I said we're getting like mods and stuff. Well, we are. I know I said I was making custom stuff too, but it's still happening. It's just gonna take a little bit. But yeah, so basically the last 2 weeks I've been tired and hurting. But so like I said, I have so many videos to film. Finally, that's not the problem. The problem isn't knowing what to film. The problem is getting the time to film it. So I didn't realize how much time these videos were taking. Like, I knew they were taking a little bit, but I didn't know that much. But, oh man, I'm stuck behind a school bus. Come on, bro. Yeah, so. Fan. why are you braking? There's nobody in front of you. It's 6 in the morning. We got a nice turn coming up ahead. Maybe he'll be gracious enough to let us go around them. Give him some space because, like I said, there's some nice turns ahead. But yeah, so I know it's been a week or two since we posted. Oh, by the way, guys, we're so close to 1,000 subs, so make sure hit the subscribe button, drop a like, whatever you gotta do. I really appreciate that. It means so much. Guys, if you want to be a school bus driver, drivers are wanted. There's a sign-on bonus, paid training, great benefits. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Getting gas. That reminds me, we have to put the summer tires back on here. Yeah, like I said, there's so much stuff we have to do. So we gotta put the summer tires on. There's so much stuff.
Speed camera ahead. You are exceeding the speed.
There's so much stuff we have to do. So much we gotta film. But the thing is, I just don't like. I could have filmed 2 or 3 videos and had it posted, but they would have been like half-done videos. The filming wouldn't have been great. The energy wouldn't have been there, so I just didn't bother. But shut this window. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And to be honest, I want to post this today, but I might even honestly wait till the weekend because I know I'm definitely filming something this weekend. I was gonna film actually Sunday, which was a couple days ago, but since it was Father's Day, I was busy, so I didn't. It's just I've been so busy, and then obviously Monday I'm working, so that's what's going on with me. So see if we can find a spot here. Oh my God, these roads are terrible. I actually seen someone else with an Elantra N posted a video. It was like New York City roads, and he literally bent his whole rim. I was like, I mean, I've hit a couple bad potholes in New York, New Jersey.
In 0.2 miles speed camera
Had to get my
30 miles per hour speed limit.
Right? I thought that was bad. No. What he got was terrible. Is that a new speed camera? Bro, what the heck? Yeah, we gotta turn around. turn around, but there's no room to make it today. I'm not squeezing in there. I don't want to walk a mile, bro. It's too early to walk a mile. Oh, and guys, like, I also want. Oh, yes, there's a spot that I don't have to walk a mile. Well, I still gotta walk, but not as far. But there's a whole method to my madness, guys. If you know anything about me personally, you know that everything I do is for a reason. Right? Some of you may know that. So do I really want to squeeze in here? I don't know. I don't know, do I? I'm just thinking about the other guys has to get out. I don't know. We'll see in a second. But yeah, there's a whole method to my madness. There's a whole reason why I'm doing all this. I can get into it maybe if you guys want to know. I don't know if you really care, but there's all reasons why I'm doing certain things. You know, the end goal. You know, gotta get that money up, and you know, gotta get those nice cars. So, is that a track hole? Or the SRT? Turkey. But yeah. So let's switch over to the camera real quick. And all right, not so bad of a park. Got in there pretty good. But yeah. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, more videos to come. But other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go.